Here are all the preps that I did before going to Paris. I knew the first thing that I had to do was take care of my hair. I know it looks shiny, but the ends were so unhealthy and dry. So what I did was I simply chopped them off. I have been cutting my own hair for over a decade. ये process बहुत ही ज़्यादा satisfying है for me. So I did that very quickly and instantly my hair felt so much nicer. बहुत ही basic face framing layers add किए मैंने. But post this, I had to go to a professional. My hairstylist Ami. I wanted to go darker because darker hair instantly looks healthier, and for me healthy hair is absolutely the most important thing. So we toned my hair, we did a K18 mask, and then we also did the 911 hair spa. Loki mein hair spas karati hu only to get a nice head massage because that is my most favorite part. And just like that, the first half of my hair transformation has come to an end. It already looks amazing. Now on to the nails. So I usually get French tips done, but मेरा एक nail square shape में टूट गया था, which got me thinking that I should get French tips but in a square shape and possibly red tips. I usually run away from color, but I think this was a nice change. So for my skin, I didn't experiment. I just went to my dermat, Dr. Puneet, and I got the signature facial done, जिसमें pico laser होता है, polishing होता है. Doctor himself comes in and extracts all the blackheads, whiteheads, comedones. And lastly, we do this modeling clay, which really cools and soothes your skin. Within 2 to 3 days, my skin is glowing. A few things that I did back home included doing my eyebrows. I used some aloe vera gel, and I also sanitized my razor before using it. So I cleaned up my brows, got rid of the extra hair. I also did my upper lips. I really like using this particular tool to get rid of the long hair. It works like a charm. I also use this purple serum on my teeth a couple of times. When you use it a few days back to back, it gives you the results. Now it's time for my hair transformation part 2. सबसे पहले मैंने ये split end machine use की, I mean Ami ने use की on my hair to get rid of all the split ends, and it was so fascinating to see. Now the main reason why I went back was to get my bangs done. So I really wanted these swoopy curtain bangs. And of course, Ami delivered just that. I mean, just look at it for yourself. It looks so amazing. It was everything that I wanted. She showed me how to style the hair as well. And it's so easy to do. I am in love with my hair. मुझे comments में बताना आपको मेरा ये subtle transformation कैसा लगा.